What is up and good morning, folks? Fishing the Northwest here, and we are at our first pit stop of the Steelhead trip. Ignore that. We at the 76 though, getting cigarettes. Dylan's taking a crap. Yeah, that's the mid-morning update, I guess. We're like halfway there. Okay. And yeah, we're gonna go for some steelhead. We're gonna throw some eggs, throw a jig with some prawn. We're gonna do a little bit of everything today. Today is the last open day for the entire blank river name system. So we got Nam, we got Dylan in there in his commode. So we gonna get it. I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys. Got an egg loop, oops, nasty. Nice little 1/0 hook. Gonna take a nice little cluster of eggs. Yeah, don't look too bad. We're gonna get it through the hook 2 times. There we go. Get our egg loop wrapped around. Tighten it up on the eggs. Tighten it up too much. Not too much. If you tighten it too much, you'll cut through the eggs. Then we're taking a little bit of Mike's UV anise, just giving the eggs a little side squirt, adding a little extra sauce. Water's low, fairly clear, so we're gonna keep hoping for a decent egg bite. All right, folks, check it out. Got hungry. Nam's ripping up some chili Riverside, baby. Damn, yo, there's a bead set up right there, dude, if you want it. This guy carried a pot of chili like 3 miles into the woods. Savage! Oh, lunchtime, huh? What's going on?
I'm fucking starving.
Ooh, Dylan making a little fiesta sandwich. Gonna throw some chili on it?
No.
What? I feel like that's a missed opportunity right there. Alright, before I egg up, I'm gonna warm up. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Fish, fish, fish. Shoo, it's a nice one though. Yeah, that's yep. That's a nice, I mean, for a 10-6, it's overkill, but on a small rod,
that's cool.
Grab that baby for me. I don't know if it's a wild or something. Let's see it. Let's see it. We could pan fry it.
Wild.
Check it out. Yeah.
It's not a.
It's a trout though. It's not a steelhead.
It's a trout. No, it's too small.
It's a cutthroat. Nah, I don't need to keep it. I don't want to eat it. There we go. Let's see it. Nice. Took the old eggs. Yeah, that's a real good eater size too. But all right, kick them back. Thanks for eating, dude.
Oh, what is he on? What is he on? Oh, he's on some line.
There you go.
He's right there.
Yep, there he goes. Good job, dude. Thanks, man. Hey, I got that whole thing on camera too, man. Yeah, the old hand net man right here. How do you feel about that hand net job, dude? Damn, I don't know if y'all heard that, but that's Nam's homemade chili right there. That shit's fire too, man. Damn. delicious.
Dying over here.
I'm not though. It's like hot, not spicy hot, like it's fucking burning my motherfucking mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's hot temperature.